Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Kimberly. So today I'm going to be showing you of the recipe, my book recipe that I'm going to do. So this is a binder. I got this binder at Walmart for like 50 cents. I got a pink one. And this is what it looks like. So I bought some protector sheets to put my recipes, and these are the recipes that I have currently right now. Barilla pini with bell peppers and leeks. So these are the ones right there. And then I got barilla rotini with zucchini cherry tomatoes. And then Starbucks frappuccino java chips. Ground stuffed bell peppers with cheese, California roll sushi, and broccoli soup, and arroz con leche, which is rice pudding. So these are the ones that I have right now. I haven't really gotten much, but we're gonna set those aside because we don't need these right now. So how I cut them, I just use these simple scissors. These are just these type of scissors. And you cut these in half. So I use those. And I grab myself a single hole punch. And then I got these at the Dollar Tree because it kind of matches, so I liked it. So what I'm gonna do with these, I'm gonna open these, and it's just 3. So what I like to do is I like to grab some scissors, and I like to cut these. So what I do is I cut here in the middle, and so let's cut. So I cut this one. Okay, so and once I cut these, there's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So there's 6, which is great. And now I'm gonna make holes with this. I'm gonna go ahead and open this. So now I'm gonna do is, and what I like, if I don't mess up or anything, I like to grab like a pencil and make a little line so I know where to make holes. So I'll make a hole here. And there's a hole right there. Like that. So now I have all 3 holes. So I'll go ahead and open this and just stick them like that, and there you go. You have your holes in there, and I'm gonna do the rest of them. So I'm gonna be fast forwarding this part. Okay, so now that we're done making these, so this is what it looks like. It looks pretty awesome. I'm gonna be adding names here in this little part here, so you guys can see right there. And so I'm gonna be doing like pasta, and I'll be looking for a recipe that has pasta, and I'll be putting it in there. But I need a little sticker, so I'll be right back. Alright guys, so I'm back. I forgot the little stickers. So these are the labels right here, but I'm not sure what label to use. I have these also. These are cute. I think I'm gonna be using these because they kind of like match here. So I decided not to use these. I'm gonna be using these ones right here. So let's take this off. And we're going to be only using, there's so much here that you can use. In pasta, we do pasta. Like that. And we take this off. And I'm going to be putting these ones in here. So I'm going to be putting this right over here, that area, like that. So I only have 2 pastas because I need to get the other recipes, which I haven't been doing that either. So I'm going to put this over here. So now we have pasta, so we're going to go ahead and open this. And we're going to be putting the pastas. Put it like that. Pastas in here. Like that. And then put this. So there you go. We have. So every time that I want to look for a pasta, I just check it. And bada bing, boom, boom, there's the pasta. So I have pasta now. I'm gonna grab another one. For ground beef, like beef stuff, I only have 1 of that. So I'm gonna be doing this one for beef. You guys can see that, beef. So I'm gonna type. I'm gonna write in beef. Beef there. Put it right there. Versus beef, and I'll put it right there, like that, and then put the beef right up there. Okay, I don't have a lot of beef recipes because I don't really do a lot of beef, but I will be putting beef in there. So, yeah, for the recipes. So there you go, there's beef right there. I'm gonna be putting more, and I got these cover sheets at 99 cents store. pretty cheap stuff. So right here on top, I think I'm just gonna put like, I'm gonna look for like something that says recipe book and stick it in there. So yeah, this is my recipe binder. So this is a really good thing when I just don't feel like looking at the internet. I just have it here. So yes, I just wanted to show you guys my recipe binder because now that I'm in my weight loss, I have a lot of different foods to eat, and I keep looking at them at the internet, and I don't want to keep looking at that anymore on the internet, so I just want to like print it out and put it in here. I have a few. So yeah, I just wanted to show you this this recipe binder. And if you guys want to go ahead and do a recipe binder as well, you can go ahead and buy the binder at Walmart, which is 50 cents right now. So it's really cheap because they're putting Halloween stuff now, and the school stuff, they're just getting it out. So yeah, so I really hope you guys enjoy this video and give it a big thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more. My weight loss journey, I have an appointment on Friday, so I'm going to be doing a update to you guys how I've been doing and how much weight I lost. And yeah, so Friday will be the second time that I go weigh myself and see how am I doing. So yeah, so wait for that video, and don't forget to subscribe to this channel. And I also have a second channel. I play The Sims there. If you guys love playing The Sims, go check it out. I'll put my other channel in the description box. You guys go ahead and subscribe to that one, to this one as well. And yeah, so I will see you guys in another video, and you guys have a wonderful day. Hope you guys are having a fun day, and I will see you guys next time. Bye guys.